Good morning friends, welcome back to the Kreedas.com. I am Praveen Chalak, cricket coach. Today we are learning about the batting skills, and the batting is very important aspect in the cricket, and it is the major skill I would say. So today we are learning about the batting, and the batting skill first we are going about the batting grip, then stance of the batting. Before of that guard, we are learning how to take the guard. That is also very important, because most of the times players are doing this 2 fingers, 1 finger. So what exactly it is? Actually it is the part of the guard, and they are showing the stumps. This 2 means the middle stumps, means 2 stumps from the leg side. This is the leg stumps and this is the middle stump. Usually we are not taking the guard of off stump. So this is the sign to the umpires, batsmen are showing. Then automatically the umpires are getting that and which stumps they want to take the guard. That is important. And then the further process or the further skills are the front foot defense and the back foot defense. So this many skills we are going to learn. So let's start with the Kreedas.com. Again, welcome back friends. Now as I earlier told you, or as I earlier said you, today now we are learning the grip of batting. That is very important, and it should be in a proper way. Then and then only your grip will be perfect, and your batting balance of your hands and the follow through of the bat. These all the things are correlated with the batting grip. So today we are learning about the batting grip. So let's start with the batting grip. There are majorly 3 methods are there of the holding the bat or the grip the bat. So out of that 3, first we are going to see, and slowly we will move ahead towards the all 3 methods of gripping. Okay, so first method I am going to explain with you. That is, see the part which is coming upwards, okay, of the bat. This you can see, this part is coming up exactly behind of the original face of the bat. So means backside you can say. If suppose you are right-handed batsman, then what exactly you have to do, that you see. This is my right hand. I'll put it here on this part, and exactly thumb and index finger, the middle portion, you have to keep it here in the center of which line is coming up. This way you have to hold, and slowly you have to drag behind till here. This is the first hand grip. Now see, might be you have understand this much. Again I will show you. Keep it the thumb and index finger center in the exact on this line, and slowly drag behind till here. Okay. Now second way, you have to turn the bat on the edging side, and then again the same, your left hand you have to keep it in the center and drag it back or pull it back. Okay, so this way the grip of bat will be. First method, I'm explaining first method. Okay, now again one more thing that I am going to show you. There should not be gap, okay, between these both hands. Technically I am telling you, players' choices are different. You can see lots of players are there holding the different way, the gripping, they are gripping the bat different way. But technically I am telling you this, there should not be gap. This both the hands should be together, there should not be gap. So this is the first and technical method of holding the bat. Okay, thank you. Again, welcome back students. In earlier we learned about the first method of gripping the bat. Now the second method today we are going to learn, or now we are going to learn. So let's begin with the second method. Simple way, see, This way you have to stand in the popping crease. There should be equal balance in the both legs, as much in your shoulder. The same way you have to keep the distance between the both legs. Okay? Then simple thing, this bat is there, horizontal way you have to hold and keep it down on the line or in the center of your both the legs. Simple thing. Now this hand, again right-handed, I am talking about the right-handed batsman. Simple way, go down and center of your index finger and thumb you have to hold the bat, and secondly this next hand is there, directly bring it here closer to the first hand, and it became the second method of gripping. Simple it is, and I am not going in the complicated way. Simple method it is. Again one more time, keep it in the center of the both the legs. Simply go down, see the center of your thumb and index finger, hold it properly. You can see this handle also in the center, exactly you have to hold the bat. Next hand, that is the left hand, bring it closer and stick to your first hand. This is the second method. Hello friends, now we are learning about the third method, that is the random method, we can say. Simply this V you can see, keep it in the center, away from the shoulder of bat, little away, not that much, this much. This is correct. And second hand, closer. Stick to the first hand. This way, the correct, you can hold the bat and stance, take the stance this way. Correct method. There should not be gap between both the hands. It should be stick to each other. Okay? You can see this. There is no gap between both the hands. And this is the correct grip, I would say. I would suggest you to hold the bat. Thank you all.